Welcome back to our channel, everyone. We're so excited to share with you the cutest puppy surprises of the year. From sweet little reactions to adorable first-time moments, these puppies will melt your heart and leave you smiling. Get ready for a dose of cuteness overload.
Did you leave an open Amazon package on the porch earlier?
Me?
Yeah. Reese, get away!
Thank you.
Oh, my girls are home. Who's that for? No! Oh my God!
We couldn't hide it. Yeah. I miss this guy.
That's cute. No, you did not. You said they took the photo. I took the photo. I'm good now. Oh my God.
Losing a beloved pup hurts, and a tiny heart like this is the perfect comfort.
I won't tell. Oh my God! Oh my God! What do you think? Are you lying? Are you lying? No! No! Look! Oh! No way! Oh! Is it a girl or a boy? Oh my gosh!
No sound beats that shocked scream. Clearly, the kids had no idea a four-legged member was coming.
Well, come on, quick. What you got in there? Oh, no, do that one
That one
first.
first.
Do that one first. We do that. Happy birthday, sweet pea.
I love you forever.
What do you think of the name?
Oh, watch it.
Peaches.
I don't.
I hope these are happy tears.
Oh my gosh, shut up.
He's been waiting for this for 7 years, and his reaction is just too sweet.
So cute. Oh my goodness. So
Oh my gosh! I got a dog! Oh my
maybe in Boston.
That man truly deserves all the love in the world.
I'm crying.
What's up? Look, he's killing. It's tiny. Look. How they hold it.
Only chose her last week, but she honestly is the most perfect puppy.
Where's it from? Tesco's.
That hug! She just unlocked a new level of happiness, wishing them the best years together.
Oh my God! Do you see now why I came to Michigan? Oh my God!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Oh, check this.
Guys, grab them. Grab one.
He truly won Christmas. He knew she wanted a puppy and made it happen.
I'm so happy.
His little face.
Holy shit! You're joking.
Oh my God! Be careful.
This is your dog, Stella.
Oh, come here, birdie. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Merry early Christmas.
No way.
Yes, way.
That tiny puppy just turned the tough dad into a softie.
Oh, look at you.
Oh my God.
No way. No.
I need to know the name of the new family member. What a tiny, sweet little floof.
Merry Christmas.
Is this our dog?
Yeah.
We have a dog?
We have a dog.
No, we do not.
That's our puppy.
This is our puppy. This is our dog. You got us a dog.
Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We got one. We got it. We got it. It's a kid.
The puppy's face when he's being lifted. Oh, so this is my new human. He seems nice. Good choice, Mom.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
She has already met Lily.
She has? Grandpa, open it.
It's not rattling, is it? There better not be a dog.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
There better not be a dog in that box. It's going back.
No, it's not.
Me replacing my old phone the second the new iPhone drops. That first dog is going to need some therapy. Still a beautiful moment.
Oh, look.
She's so cuddly. Calm. Look at her. Oh, goodness. She's the most loving. Oh, she's the most loving.
This is eight weeks.
If this isn't in the running for the best surprise gift of the decade, I don't know what is. Gigi is already a legend, period.
Lift it.
You joking? No way! No way! You're joking, right? No!
Merry Christmas, boys.
Bro, come, bro. Pet it. Pet the dog, man.
Anyone else hoping she gives the pup a Christmas-themed name? Like Noel or Rudolph? Let us know.
It's a cocktail.
Is it the one from the pound? It's the one? Oh my goodness. You take this one. Oh my god!
Oh, look at that face, really?
Look at his face. He's clearly been waiting for this moment for a long time.
Merry Christmas.
I figured it was the first Christmas without Chessie, so maybe we could add something with it.
The way the dog walks up, it's like he's asking, "Are you my mom?" The dog was overwhelmed when he saw the little girl, just wagging his tail as if saying, "I found my new family." Oh my gosh, he's so happy.
It's your puppy.
Actually? No. 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 Actually?
Now this is a truly special surprise gift for children at Christmas.
What's his name?
You get to name him.
We should name him.
It's truly amazing how such a tiny creature can bring so much joy.
So tiny.
So cute! Puppy surprises are the best! She looked as if she couldn't believe her eyes. Even with the little puppy in her arms, she still didn't quite dare to believe it.
Sophia, I got you a present.
Which one is the present?
Hi. Nice to
This is eight weeks.
The moment she opened the gift box, I knew she would be absolutely surprised by the real present she was about to receive.
Cry.
She would never guess who that puppy belongs to. To be fair, she was totally shocked. It's not just a gift, it's the beginning of a lifelong friendship.
I want to keep it so. You're keeping it. It's This one's yours, Papa.
No way! No way!
He immediately reacted like a child. It was funny, but so sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
Surprise. It's me. Okay.
Surprise, it's me.
Look at.
You remember him?
He's so cute.
This child is battling brain cancer, and now he no longer has to face it alone.
He's so cuddly, isn't he?
This is officially the cutest reaction ever.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh,
Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday.
Feel my cry. Oh my God. No.
Happy birthday, babe.
No.
There were no words to describe how he felt when he received the puppy he had always wished for. Only tears of joy.
Oh, it's all right, bro. Don't cry, bro.
Happy birthday,
It's
baby.
birthday, yeah, it's yours.
No. Why do I look so scrappy?
What is it? What is it?
Her excitement over the stuffed animal showed how truly grateful and overjoyed she was to meet the real puppy.
I got a puppy.
Look at his tail.
It truly is man's best friend.
Hey, welcome home.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God!
Are you kidding?
Holy shit! You're
Their reaction was priceless. I could feel their excitement.
joking! Oh my God! Hi! Hi! What does that mean? Oh! Ah! Oh my God! I'm so sorry. Oh my.
After this cry, the boy will surely be ready to give his puppy the very best. No one could have expected a strong man like him to break down in tears the moment he saw the little puppy. What a lucky girl and a lucky dog.
Thank you so much.
What could be more joyful than having your wish come true instantly? They were tears of pure happiness.
What do you think?
I love
No matter how many times the secret was revealed, she still couldn't believe she would actually get a real dog.
Oh my God. He's perfect.
Love how the puppy jumps up with excitement just like the boy. The way he wiped his hands on his shirt showed just how much this dog meant to him.
She's a chunk, isn't she?
What a big surprise!
What the hell? Oh my Lord!
This grandmother lives alone and had gone through the sorrow of losing her dog. So her daughter and grandchildren did this for her.
Oh my God!
I won't cry.
No way!
Happy birthday.
No!
The beginning of a beautiful friendship.
This isn't real!
Stop. You did not.
Goldens really are adorable dogs.
Stop. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God.
You did! You brought it home to me? Are you serious? That's for me? Oh.
This man had dreamed of having a dog since he was a child, and now his own child has helped make that wish come true. Every time a puppy is given, the world gains one more happy person.
No. Que é esse aqui? Não sei como que tu vai dar o nome pra ele. Quem que ele é? Meu Deus.
Shut up. Look at this thing. Shut up. Look at this thing. I just gotta watch this. Oh my God.
She's definitely the happiest mom this Mother's Day.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at how cute he is. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pass out and die. Oh my gosh.
Those kisses instantly make me swoon.
You got a surprise?
Guess who's about to become the center of attention in this house?
Oh, he wants to give you kisses already.
That's so adorable.
Do you love him?
Yes.
You could say he had an amazing day. Not only was he overjoyed, but even the dog was thrilled to meet his new friend. The way the dog comes back to him to make sure, so cute. If this doesn't make you smile, I don't know what will.
That's Graham.
So heartwarming, right? We hope these moments touched your soul. Please share your stories in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more touching videos. Thank you and see ya!